I will show you how to make G major 162 on Kinemaster, PowerDirector, and voice changer with effects. Let's begin to this position. This effect is created by ExtraCrispyQualityContent antivirus. Effect created on August 21st, 2017, 8 years ago. First of all, you're supposed to go on rotating/mirroring. You're supposed to rotate to 90 degrees and flip H. Export it when it's done to 100%. The second reason, you're supposed to put that exporting Kinemaster scene, and you can have to drag it up and go to adjustment. Brightness is to -100. Construct is 100. Go on tint and it's way to 100 only. Go on Sneery and go on Sneery. Press the SNO2. Press Lime Done. Go on PowerDirector FX. Look for Drain. Press the button Drain. You're supposed to go on Drain. Edit the drain to degree 200. Size 200. When the drain gets big, you're supposed to position to the bottom right corner, just like in the original video does. Go on voice changer with effects. Press space mutant. Go on PowerDirector again, mute the video. You're supposed to go on high gravity voices folder. It sounds like G major 9000 to me. When it's exported, you're supposed to export it with 1080p. You need to export it and wait until it's fully 100% exported. There you go. This is a result.